I have a client that wants to get a personal loan, about 40K, and pull the cash to buy a fixer-upper property, cash, and rent it out. Have you ever done this? Not sure if that works. Dude, you've been on my mind to call you for quite some time. I'm going to do that today. Yeah, no, I think that's a really good idea. I know a lot of people that either buy properties using personal loans to buy property free and clear. I know people that have used credit cards to buy properties, home equity lines of credit. So long as you are making money at a higher interest rate than you're borrowing, chances are it's a good deal. If you are using a credit card to like acquire and fix up a home before you refinance it with a traditional bank, then I think that's probably a good idea too, right? Because then you're saving yourself the origination fees that a hard money lender would charge. I don't think it's a bad idea at all. Yeah, we've used credit cards, we've used lines of credit, we've used personal loans, we've done it all. I think it's a good idea. Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.